Hello everyone, this is Lena from Premier Team Real Estate. I'm a real estate agent in Austin, Texas, and welcome back to ATX Real Estate channel. Today I am standing in a house that I bought for my clients, and this house is located in the Vizcaya community, and it is in Round Rock. So Round Rock is about 20 minutes drive from the border of Austin. And we are actually located very close to I-35. It's about less than 5 minutes drive, and it's very close to Vizcaya, Terra Vista Golf Course community. And this location is a desired location for everyone. Why? Because the tax rate here is very low. It's about 2.3% property tax rate. The HOA here is pretty normal, just like every other community. However, it has a tremendously beautiful view and beautiful amenities, including swimming pool, like sport courts and trails, etc. So this community is built by TaylorMorrison, and this is one of the largest homes that we have bought for my client, and it has 4,100 over square feet. The price we bought it was more than a year and a half ago. Was about $650 through the bidding process. Now the price on this house is over $800,000. My clients just closed this house, and I'm proudly to introduce you and tour you to this house so that you can have a view of what a TaylorMorrison build homes in this community is about. And also, if you needed more information about me or wanted to look into homes in the area here, you can contact me. The information is at the end of the video. Thank you so much, and have fun through the tour with me.